Hello and Merry Christmas from Tight Town Talks. This is Martha Allen. If you're watching us, please give us a thumbs up and we will continue to bring good information to you. Remember, have a happy holiday, but please stay safe. Watch your cooking fire. Be careful that kids are safe away from any danger. Be sure that you have a working smoke alarm and make sure your space heaters are working properly. Please keep furniture, clothing away from your space heater and do not use electrical cords to extend your space heater cord or do not use surge protectors to extend your space heater cord. Make sure you have a fire safety plan. And until later, this is Martha Allen from Tight Town Talks and Tight Town Books saying Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.